smell bacon from the Shake Shack over there? Ho, ho, ho. Bacon. What's up? J Street Moto here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell. You know the drill. Halloween weekend here in the Carolinas. Technically Halloween is 2 days from now. And I don't know what the weather's like where you are, but today it's freaking 82 degrees and it's going to be like 84, I think, is what it's going to be. Ridiculous weather. I mean, this is just insane. It's perfect riding weather. So I figured I'd get out on the bike and, you know, talk to you. Been a busy weekend. Last night, or, you know, Saturday night. So let me back up a minute. So if you've been watching the channel any period of time, you know David. Or, you know, you've met David. David and his wife they're involved heavily with a free medical clinic in the town of Matthews. And last night was the annual, like their big annual fundraising event. It's a formal gala at in this case we were at a really nice hotel in uptown Charlotte. So, you know, the wife and I rolled out there last night to support them and to support a really good cause. I'll probably link I'll link the charity in the description of this video, just in case you want to donate. If you feel led to do that, then by all means. What this place does, the Matthews Free Medical Clinic, what it does is it provides a lot of services to uninsured and underinsured people in the community. So that happened last night. Got up this morning, had to do some yard work, rake some leaves and shit, so I did that while it was still a little cooler. Because got up this morning, it was like 70, I'm guessing. Up 70 this morning. And the high today was supposed to be in the mid 80s, so we're getting up to what the high is supposed to be today. So I'm going out for a little ride. I thought I'd talk to you. I'm going to take you along with me when I took a ride today. I've been kicking around an idea in my head, so I'm going to tell you about it now, and I'd like your thoughts in the comments. And kicking around an idea for a series on the channel. Ooh, I could smell bacon from the Shake Shack over there. Ho, ho, ho. Bacon. Beautiful day. I don't know what the hell is going on with this traffic. I don't know why we have this much traffic on a Sunday. This is not normal. I have no freaking clue what's going on. There's way more cars on this road than there should be on a Sunday afternoon at 1 o'clock. And it's a little frustrating because in North Carolina, we cannot split lanes. One of the people that works for the organization that we were raising money for last night, her husband is an artist, and he's been commissioned recently to do some murals in uptown Charlotte. I said I'd like to know where Justin's work is going to be, where it already is. Because I'd love to go by on the bike and video it for you guys. Let y'all see, you know, some of the more hidden side of Charlotte, I guess, is a good way to put it. But it's not really hidden because it's in plain view. You know what I'm saying, though. It's stuff that, you know, people commute, go by it every day and don't even think about it. They don't even think about what they're passing or what it represents or the effort that went into creating it. I get the effort that goes into it, especially from the perspective of a person that looks at something like that and goes, there's no freaking way in hell I could ever do. You could put a gun to my head and tell me paint something on a wall, and I'm going to tell you shoot me, because I can't. I'm not going to be able to paint anything that is going to be even remotely recognizable by any normal human being. A 3-year-old might look at it and go, oh, look, there's a tree. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. We do need to do, there is, so Patrick, who is the owner of the CVO Road Glide that I walked around a few months back. He is always like on the lookout for different things that he thinks I might be interested in. He found an article of the top 50 burger joints in the country. And lo and behold, the number 2 slot is held by a smash burger place that's literally about 25 minutes north of here. Not even that. More like 17 minutes north of here. I think I'm going to do a Bikes and Burger episode to go out there and let y'all see that burger and tell you whether or not I honestly think that it is the number 2 burger in the country or not. Because, I mean, that's whenever journalists do things like that, make statements like that about certain things, I always think, I'm like, man, tastes are so particular. I don't know that you can make that statement, but we'll see. I am going to go there. I'm going to try it. I'm always looking for a good burger. I think everybody is, or, most people are, unless you're a vegan or a vegetarian. Friday night was busy too. At the bar, we had our annual Halloween party Friday night. Yours truly went as Frankenstein, and I ended up coming in second in the costume contest, well, the category for males in costumes that were not part of a group kind of costume. You know what I mean? So I came in second. I was surprised. A good friend of mine came in first, and he deserved it. He came dressed as the, whatever the hell it is, that Tiger King dude that got killed by his wife or whatever. All right, I'm going to break for now. This might be the end of it.
Bubba's in Concord. Place is pretty cool. Came here for brunch. Had some French toast sticks. Damn good.
As always, ride safe. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah. Asshole.